Let's see how bad this thing is now. Well, they fixed the light. I can tell right now. JCPenney, fix your jolting problem. Goose, you would not want to ride this. Sorry. Let's go down to one. Let's go one. Didn't jolt that time. LL works. JCPenney, fix your elevator. Takes forever to level. Big bump. There's the machine room. Scan cab view. Pretty nice. A series. Let's go up to 2. Here we go. Jolt. A word to JCPenney and Simon Properties. Fix your elevator. Also has the annoying fan. Ooh, big bump. I'm telling you, this thing is a death trap. Chime worked. There goes Anne. A word to you, Lisa Lucy. You are not going to ride. You do not want to ride this.